I'd like to introduce you to the new DX8. It's our direct fastening tool that replaces the DX76, predominantly used for fastening metal deck into hot rolled steel. And what we bring with this new tool is a more robust system compared to the predecessor. So the magazine now is a lot more robust. We get a more improved responsive sliding mechanism. We introduce a tethering hook for added safety, and we've simplified the system as well. So now you can use one tool body and swap out the magazine and the piston depending on the application that you're working on. So if it's deck fastening, you'd use the magazine, or if it's for shear connectors, you can use the XHVB fastener guide. And we also have the PTR function as well, which can be done using the same tool by swapping out the piston. We also introduced the new XTT8 stand-up accessory, which brings more added ergonomic benefits for the end user. Compared to having to bend over installing screws or bending over with the tool, you can now stand up and get the full benefits of the system with zero compromise. So we also introduced the next generation ENP nail, which is made from a new patented steel alloy, which allows us to work in much harder steel and increases the application limits. So it gives you the opportunity to work on the toughest job site conditions. To find out more, please go to our website or click on the link below.